first date with Barbie coming up.
Ah, what wouldn't you do in the name of love, right? Ken, come here.
Sure, I'm on my way.
Where are you going?
It'd be easier if I could see.
Ken, what's up with you? You have to go the other way.
Whoops! Ouch!
That's great. Now we can take all the measurements we need. Sit still, please.
So what do I do now?
Let's go get you some ice cream, huh? So nervous.
Now we need to give the curve for this piece. Hey, Sammy, help, please.
I'm right here. What is it? Hey, what are you doing? That tickles. Stop that. Stop it right now. Phew, you've got me spun around. Ha! Now, it's time for Mechanic Sam to take over. Let's see what we've got here. Sue, a 10-jack wrench. Thank you. So, first we fix this, and now we'll fix that. And a little bit more here. Uh-huh, very well. For us, mechanics, wrenches are like magic wands.
Wow, I didn't realize mechanics had such extraordinary powers.
Ah, that's nothing. I can do better than that. No one can compete with me. I am the king of mechanics.
Have you brushed your teeth today?
Oops, I think I forgot. I'll be right back. Take that, bad breath. The king of mechanics should never, ever have a bad breath. There you go.
Oh, that'll work for us as a car seat.
Huh? What? The seat? Oh, you're welcome.
We're missing the main part, though. The steering wheel.
Here, a cookie will make a perfect steering wheel.
Cookies won't do for us, but you can eat it.
Yay! Yummy! Oh, I could eat this all day.
Okay, we need something stronger than a steering wheel cookie. Like this, for example. Just what we need. I hope Ken loves the color.
Sue is so focused. I'm gonna prank her.
You scared me. How could you?
I'm a wild, scary slime. I come from the jungle. You'll never ever catch me. I'm like a shadow, like a lynx, like a... Let me go. Ouch! Stop that. Hey, those were my ears. Ouch!
Oh, what a cool texture. I think I have an idea. Let's use it to decorate the interior of the car. And we'll start with the seat. But first, we need to remove all the unnecessary stuff. Here we go. And let's not forget to add texture. It turns out so colorful and bright.
Hey, Sue, here are the seat backs. They have to be just as pretty, too.
Oh, that's right. Thank you, Sammy.
Look at the cool headrests I found.
Absolutely, they fit just perfectly. Now we'll glue it all together, like this.
Okay, let's glue this piece over here.
Not that way.
Oops! My bad! Uh-oh, our car has no bottom. I'm gonna fix that in a jiffy. Looks like Mechanic Sam's help is needed here. A fix, a tweak, I'll get my hammer. Here we go. Hammer will fix that in no time. Nice. Phew. That was a tough one. I'm gonna go get some water.
Great job, Sammy. Everything's so neat. Well, I'll keep up with you too. We need to texture coat our car. Let's choose the most colorful and unusual ones. Great! Now let's add all the missing pieces, such as the steering wheel, control panel, and seats.
Hey, Sue! I brought you water. Do you want some?
No thanks, but we're going to need a straw.
Oh, okay then.
We're going to use it to get our car moving. And now for my magic trick. Split it into halves. And voila!
Huh? Why did you break my last straw, Sue?
To make the axes, of course.
I've got just the thing for the wheels.
Oh, those lids would make great wheels.
But everything has a price. I accept candy as payment.
So that cookie wasn't enough, huh?
Nope, it was just a light snack.
I only have this. Would you do it for Barbie and Ken's love?
All right, Sue, but you're lucky I want candy too badly right now.
Haha. Yeah, your sweet tooth really comes in handy sometimes. I wonder if Ken has gotten ready for his date. Okay, let's glue the texture circle. Oh, it's a cookie. That's more like it.
You get me worried, Sue. What if Ken could read minds and find out about the car?
You are so funny.
Yeah, but what are we gonna do next?
Shall we decorate the wheels?
Oh, I know. There, look what I got.
That's perfect.
How does it look?
Looks great, Sammy. Now let's add one more little detail here.
Huh, you only have to make 3 more of these.
That's 3 whole wheels. I'm so tired.
Sit tight. I have a surprise for you.
You do? No way. Sammy, you already took care of it.
Yeah, I love helping my friends. Now, let's move on. With these super-duper sticks, we can put our car on wheels. Just a second. Ugh. Nothing is impossible for Mechanic Sam, but this. It's your turn.
Don't worry. Sue the mechanic to the rescue. Here we go. Perfect fit.
Sue, you did such a good job. What a cool car we've got. Hurry, I want to test drive it now. Ride me like the wind. Yeah, faster, faster. Ouch! I'm fine, but the car sure could use some protection. Once again, Sam the mechanic saves the day. That's much better, huh? Only one thing is left. Bring it on, Sue. Come on. Yeah. Good girl.
Oh, this windshield is no good at all. It'll be blown away in the first wind.
I hear you need Mechanic Sam's help again. Sammy's here to help. What's going on, Sue?
I don't have a windshield that fits our car.
Oh, hang on. Okay. I've got a spare somewhere around here. Oh, there it is. Come on, get in here. I got it. Here comes the spare windshield. It should fit the car. Take it.
That's great, Sammy. It fits perfectly. Thanks.
Don't mention it. It's a mechanic's duty. For the next part, we need an empty carton. Where can we find one? Oh, there it is. How lucky I am today. There must be something yummy in there. Ew! It's milk? No. I can't drink that. Ew.
Such a drama queen. I'll drink it. Give it here. We need the box anyway.
Oh, my tibidaba! This is wild, drinking milk without cookies!
What is it? You had a juice box the whole time?
Milk is good for your bones.
That's easy for you to say. Fine, let's get on with it. So, what have we got here? Radiator screen, just what we need. Let's glue it where it belongs. Ooh, we forgot the headlights.
I look so cool.
Sammy?
What's wrong?
You scared me.
Well, you scared me.
What's that on you?
It's my Halloween costume. Haven't you thought of your costume yet?
Oh, Sammy, Halloween is still months away.
Oh, is it? Whoopsie.
But these things will come in handy for our craft. Let's make them into headlights for our car. Add foil to make them bright and shine far and wide. Here we go. No more fear of the dark.
Yay! And this costume will definitely be the one to go for.
Sammy, do you happen to have a mirror?
There you go. But be careful, don't get it stained.
Nice. Our front mirror is ready. Let's glue it on.
I look handsome in it. I'd love more mirrors, Sue. I want to see myself from every angle. Oh, you made them already? Wow! Let's attach them now. That's what I'm talking about. 3 mirrors and Sammy's so handsome in all of them. Yay!
It's a car for beach fun. Let's add more fun colors. And taillights too. Here, you can't do without them.
Do not forget Ken's license plate. It's special.
Here we go. Oh, there's a little heart. So cute.
Hey, Ken, I've got a surprise for you. What?
Ugh, I ate so much candy. I don't want any surprises. Just more candy.
Come on, get up. You'll love it. You'll see. Are you ready? Take off your glasses. There it is, the car of your dreams.
Wow, I can't believe it. It's so cool. Friends, thank you so much.
Hey everybody, what's all this about?
Oh, Barbie, look at this cool car. It's mine.
Wow, I can't believe it. So pretty.
Hey, Barbie, are you ready to hit the beach? Let's go.
Yay, of course. I can't wait. Hey, you all right?
I totally forgot. I can't drive.
Not a problem. I can drive any vehicle. Scoot over.
Oh, Barbie, what would I do without you?
Are you ready? Let's go.
They're so cute. Well done, Susie. Thanks for being with us. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye, dear friends.